So this is the unit I have, the 9163K, and the issue that I'm having is the wiring harnesses. I'm using the Bose wiring harness, is not working at all. So as you can see over here, got that plug in there, comes all the way out over here to your filter box, into your control lead. I'm plugging the control lead into the main harness over here, which are going to go down into my CAN bus. I've also tried not using the Bose harness, so unplugging this one over here and then using the other harness, which I'm putting in over here. There we go. So now the normal harness goes in, and then I've also tried running those directly to, because of course this harness then has another attachment over here, which then goes into that connector over there. So I've tried that. I've even tried going from the actual speaker wires over here. As you can see, the white, gray, green and purple, I've spliced off to some RCAs to take the low outputs directly on the normal harness so that I can get it back into the radio here. So from output here, or should I say a speaker over here, directly to the outputs over there, thinking that maybe that'll go to the amp. That's not working either. I have reset the radio entirely to factory settings. So everything is back to factory settings. I'm working on a 2012 Mazdaspeed with a Bose configuration. My amp is working correctly. When I reinstall the OEM unit, I'm getting full sound, full Bluetooth, full control, full everything. So something is wrong with the wiring. I've tried literally everything that I can. If you guys can help in any way, please let me know. If there's anything that you recommend that I try. I've tried combinations of running this without this plugged in and with this one plugged in instead. I've tried this plugged in, this plugged out, and running that. I mean, I've tried pretty much everything. The unit is working. The unit is getting power. The unit is not outputting any sound. It is just making a sound like inside of the car. And that is it. That is all. Please help.